Hey, tell me what the business is. Stop the allegations. What's up with all this petty shit? Pillow talking, gossiping, that's irrelevant. You feeling some type of way? I must have got you out your element. Hey, tell me what the business is. Stop the allegations. What's up with all this petty shit? Pillow talking, gossiping, that's irrelevant. You feeling some type of way? I must have got you out your element.
Truthfully, honestly, all I hear is gossiping. The problem is you out here pillow talking with the opposite. But watch how you speaking when you talking about me. I ain't gotta air this bitch out, I throw hands like Ali. And beat your fucking ass in front of your kids and your mama there. So come on with all the drama there. You don't want this problem, man, so tell me, Cuddy, are you hungry for this beef? Cause if we go to war, can't nobody go to sleep. That means creeping through the streets on the low, real discreet. And don't nobody fucking eat till this shit here get resolved. 40 days and 40 nights, if that's what it takes to silence the hype. Then I got youngins on standby, just ready to earn some stripes. Lottie-dottie, who came to party? Cuddy grabbed a 4-5, I got the sawed off shotty. I'm out my body, gone off of Molly. Finesse and invest like Gotti, let's get it poppin'. Tell me what the business is. Stop the allegation. What up with all that petty shit? Pillow talking, gossiping, that's irrelevant. You feeling some type of way? I must have got you out your element. Tell me what the business is. Stop the allegation. What's up with all that petty shit? Pillow talking, gossiping, that's irrelevant. You feeling some type of way? I must have got you out your element.
Oh, you big mad? Yeah, it's like that. I hear you talking out loud. You need a nightcap. I'm too saucy. The way that I drip, I move just like a boss. If I ever fell off, well, I took that loss.
Hey, CFT business, man. Hey, man. Word on the street, man. Them CFT niggas just got hit.
What? Who? When?
Man, we shooting a music video right now. Fabio, let's get back to business.
Business is business. You gotta crawl before you walk. It's mind over matter. I just let the people talk. Put it out on the line. I'm ready for the takeoff. Fuck all the gossiping. Nigga, we do the opposite. In front of the line, no matter whatever the problem is. Feeling some type of way, I can tell you a little salty. Take me out the game, I can never let them off me. I know they love to hate cause they do it too often.
I am Smooth G.
Hey, street baby.
Clear for takeoff.
People love to talk. And people love to hate.
Well, shit, I say if that nigga want problems, then let's handle that shit.
Like,
Oh no, Cuddy, it's like pew 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 pew.
oh, my leg.
Pew 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 pew.
My other leg.
Pew 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 pew. Ah, Cuddy, you a fool for this one.
Nah, Cuddy, you a fool.
Clear for takeoff.